Life on other planets is one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. So, how long can we survive on which planet in the solar system without special equipment? Life in space is still one of the greatest mysteries for mankind. As if it took months to reach another planet, life on these planets is also very difficult due to the atmosphere and climate changes. When we examine the atmosphere and climate structures of the planets in the solar system, interesting results emerge. If you want to know how long you can survive on these planets without any equipment, let's take you to our video right away. Here is the life expectancy on planets in the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has a surface temperature of around 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and drops to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. With no atmosphere, Mercury is not hospitable to human life. If humans were to try to land on Mercury, they would succumb to the extreme temperatures and the absence of breathable air, which would cause death almost immediately. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and has a thick atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide, with temperatures reaching over 860 degrees Fahrenheit. With atmospheric pressure at about 90 times that of Earth, a human would be crushed under its own weight if standing on the planet's surface. The toxic atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and crushing atmospheric pressure make Venus an inhospitable planet for human life. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is known as the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has a thin atmosphere, which means that the planet's surface is bombarded by solar radiation. Mars is also very cold, with an average temperature of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Humans can potentially survive on Mars with the help of technology, such as spacesuits, protective habitats, and other life support systems. However, prolonged exposure to the planet's radiation and the harsh environment would likely lead to a variety of health problems and eventual death. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, but it is not hospitable to human life. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up of mainly hydrogen and helium gases, with no solid surface to stand on. The planet's magnetic field is one of the strongest in our solar system, and its radiation belts are extremely hazardous to human health. The intense radiation and lack of breathable air make it impossible for humans to survive on Jupiter. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium gases. Like Jupiter, Saturn does not have a solid surface for humans to stand on, and its atmosphere is extremely cold and inhospitable to life. Additionally, Saturn's magnetic field is also hazardous to human health, making it impossible for humans to survive there. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is mostly composed of gas and ice. It has a very cold atmosphere, temperatures as low as minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit. Its atmosphere also contains methane, which makes it inhospitable for human life. The lack of a solid surface and intense radiation levels make it impossible for humans to survive on Uranus. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and is mostly composed of gas and ice. Like Uranus, its atmosphere is extremely cold and contains methane, which makes it inhospitable for human life. Its lack of a solid surface and intense radiation levels make it impossible for humans to survive on Neptune. In conclusion, the only planet in the solar system where humans can potentially survive is Mars, with the help of technology such as spacesuits and habitats. However, prolonged exposure to the planet's radiation and the harsh environment would likely lead to a variety of health problems and eventual death. On all other planets in our solar system, humans cannot survive due to extreme temperatures, lack of breathable air, crushing atmospheric pressure, intense radiation, and lack of a solid surface to stand on. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.